Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Monday the 18th of November. And today was another fun day in the markets. Basically had a nice little gap up, quick turn down, and then a tiny grind higher and sideways action into the 12 o'clock time period. Today we had three trades, basically 2 for 1, and pulled 3 points out of the markets. First trade was a nice short right here. We were able to take a lot of profit off of that. And then we had two pretty much scratch trades. We had a long over here that we ended up closing pretty quickly. Did chop around a little longer, and then it did go higher. And as it came down, we did get long again, which we ended up taking off over here. And those two trades pretty much scratched, and we made money on the first one. So sometimes trading is going to happen like that. You're going to have a couple trades where just nothing happens, and that's actually part of trading, and that's real common. You're going to have a couple of your trades be your large winners. You're going to have some that are going to keep you afloat, and then some are going to be unsuccessful. And you're going to have some days where some of your trades are successful, some of them are not, and you're going to break even. Luckily we had this nice trade here to begin the day. So we already had some nice profit locked away. And then unfortunately our two following trades basically scratched and left us with 3 points, which is definitely not too bad. It's definitely really good, and it's something that you can look at and say, well, was today a successful day? And I would say yes. And I do get a lot of questions about MPP and what it stands for, and actual is, this is our results in the room. We made 3 points. That's why I said 3 points earlier. MPP stands for maximum profit potential, and that is how far the trade goes. Say we did enter here, the market came all the way down here where we got out up here. So the market did go a little further than where we got out. We didn't get out at the very bottom, which is also common. You're not going to call every single top and every single bottom. It's just not going to happen. You probably will get a couple, if you've been trading for an extended period of time, but it's not going to be consistent. But anyway, that's what it did. So MPP was longer, the maximum profit potential was longer than our actual profit. And that's what I do to kind of gauge myself. After the trading day is over, I can say, well, the market made 4.25 points off of my entries. I made 3 points. Is that good? Yeah, I would say yes, because 3 is, it's not as close to 4 quarters I would like, but it is close. If I made, say, only 1 point in the room and the market moved 4.25 points, then there's definitely room for improvement. And that's the way I like to look at myself. I like to look at that figure, and I can go back, in any of my videos and look at that, and I have stats written down actually, but having it in the video is really good, so not only I can see it, but other people can come and see it as well and say, did you do okay? There have been days where I don't know exact statistics, but something like we might make 3 points and the market might move 8 points or 10 points, or so it does give me a good way to look at myself and look at my trading, and look and find different areas of improvement. Am I being a little bit too conservative? Am I being a little bit too aggressive? And it kind of helps me gauge myself as far as the market moving. So anyway, hopefully that made sense. You got something out of it. That's the way I like to. That's one of the ways I like to measure myself and see how I'm doing day to day. And you don't want to get too overcritical of yourself on a day-to-day basis. I look at my main stats, month to month. That's why I have monthly results in the performance page or the results page. But looking at yourself day to day, you can, look at it a little bit and improve, and that's what I like to do. So, anyway, hopefully that made sense to you and you got something out of it. You can always leave comments below the video if you want. Thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.